Hi, in this video we're going to show you the new Pageless feature of Google Docs. So what this does is it allows you to view your documents without individual pages, so that way it's just one big page and you could continue on and not have to worry about things getting moved onto separate pages. So this comes in handy if you're maybe doing some graphic work or website design where you're not really going to be following a page structure, so you really don't care about specific pages. So let me show you how it works. So here's a typical document. You can see we have our page breaks, even has some numbers there, like so. And if you go to View, Non-Printed Characters, you could see actual page breaks as well. So I just wanted to show you that for when we try out the new feature here. So to enable the Pageless feature, simply go to File and Page Setup, and then click on Pageless. So you can see it says it allows you to add wide images and tables and consume content without the interruption of page breaks. And then you also get this warning that headers, footers, columns, and watermarks will not be visible in Pageless format. And you could even change the background color if you want. And then you could also click on Save as Default, so then every time you do a document, this will be your default if that's something you plan on doing. So we're going to just click on OK for this one here. Okay, so now you can see there's that one page break I showed you, and now everything is just on one page. Or I should say pageless because there is no page. But it still shows you the page numbers as you're scrolling though. And if we zoom out here, you can see that it's just one big page. So it's a handy feature, like I said, if you're doing some kind of graphic work or website design and you don't want to worry about pages separating your documents or cutting things off. So once again, I'll get back to normal size here. File, Page Setup, click on Pageless, and when you're done you could just click on Pages again, click OK, and then you're back to your normal view. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.